Woo! Rightfully so. Hey, I don't know. Hey, I heard that. Listen here, I heard that Ole Miss was the number 2 team in the SEC right now.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, Ole Miss. You heard me, Ole Miss. Lane Lane Kiffin said that the student has become the teacher. Hey, they've been looking good recently. Just like Georgia beat Bama. Oh.
Hey, y'all just get ready for it. Just get ready for it. Okay. We're gonna see. We're gonna finish Florida this upcoming week, and then hey, we good.
Hey, boy, I ain't said this in a long time. I might not even be second no more. I don't even know my place. But just in case y'all forgot, I am the market prodigy.
Hey, the dream is here, man. Go Dogs.
Whoa. Hey, 4K can check it in, man. Go blue, actually. Talking about some go dog.
I hear you.
Oh, yeah. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Unlikely.
Day by day. Day by day.
Man,
I want to see it. I mean,
Wait, y'all know I've been gone for a while. So, Kenneth, I know you still go by 4K, right? Or has it changed?
no, that's it.
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So I'm sure that vision has been translating over to the market, right?
Man, I saw some stuff today. I was actually just looking at. It's funny that you say that. I saw some stuff today that was kind of speculative that I was looking at. That took off, so it was a solid day.
In the right direction.
Right.
Hey, I done had something that took off in the wrong direction.
It was gas and little.
Mhm.
Hey,
I just
don't get that one that you're hanging on to now. Don't do it. Don't do it.
yeah.
I don't know what I want to do.
Oh, man, I jumped on that Intel right before the bell closed.
But you put on.
I got an option on. I got a call on it for it to end this Friday. Expired this Friday, but I got a 49.50 strike price on it. That bad boy. The ask on it is at 49.47 right now.
Okay.
So I'm looking to wake up to some profits.
Ooh.
Keep the money right there.
Hey, everybody want to wake up to some profits, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm hoping to at least.
Hey, that money in the sleep hit different.
Oh yeah, for sure,
Man,
for sure.
I wish I had some of that Tesla money because my unusual option activity scanner. Oh my God. I was telling AC right before we started. I'm looking at this thing. Let me put this in. I got I got calls for next week going to 10:30, 10:40, 10:50, 10:60. And I'm like, what's going on with Tesla?
That's what I'm thinking too. Cause
Right. But then it closed Friday at like 9:08. Well, that thing got up to 10:45 today.
Mm.
yeah, I really thought they were gonna I didn't think it was gonna sustain.
I mean, it was up, 12%, but when a stock that costs that much up
It was up
12%.
12%, bro.
Sheesh.
12%. See, I didn't check on it today. So 12%, that's huge, man. Like for a stock like that size, that's huge.
Yeah, I got unusual activity going all the way to November 5th. Yeah, I mean
Yeah,
they
them
got
people
this
want that
thing
stuff.
going. Some people seeing this thing going up to 1100 by November 5th.
Well, I mean, what y'all expect? It's Tesla. We already said this. We
Yeah,
said
people always they
They were
overreact
just
to
waiting on the
everything
breakout.
Tesla related.
we ain't gonna prevail.
Waiting on the
Tesla,
breakout.
exactly. But
Hey,
they
well
got that.
that
They got a little deal with Hertz, even though Hertz been about filed bankrupt. So I don't even know how Hertz can make a deal.
Hey, I'm
wait,
just,
wait, wait.
that's
Hertz,
what I'm trying to understand. How bankrupt people making deals, man?
Right.
Man, that's what I said. Hertz apparently agreed to get like 100,000 electric vehicles on there.
How they gonna get 100,000 with what money?
It don't add up. Make it make sense.
Comment in the put something in the comments if you purchased something from Hertz in the last.
Hey, this is just as bad as Toys R Us resurrecting itself and going back to Macy's.
What?
Y'all didn't know
going back
that?
to Macy's. No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, man, Toys R Us is at Macy's now.
Not kids are us.
Toys,
Not babies are us.
toys,
Toys are us.
Toys R Us is at Macy's now.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been like that for
I
a couple
mean,
months now.
is there really a market for that for them? I wonder if they're going to be able to stay there.
Christmas time.
And
That's
that's
it.
and first of
Hey, they
all,
probably just having it like online or something. I haven't necessarily been inside of a Macy's to see exactly how they have it set up. But me
but
personally, I would expect that they probably got something like a what probably like some what you call it like a little online retail e-com thing that's
yeah.
kind of like based on the Macy's platform or something. And then they may have like a small section in there where you can kind of like see a few
But they need to
things.
get on to their marketing team because the fact that I'm just not hearing about this. Granted, I've probably been on the rock, you know, lately, but they need to get the word out.
Nah,
Yeah.
yeah, I definitely ain't hear about it either. But I mean,
Oh yeah.
if you a company and you don't really just done deal, that's just that's a business structure right there. I forgot what it's called, but you a company that's pretty much going out, another company just take you in and start using your name.
Yeah. That's pretty much what they did. They bought the rights, man.
Good acquisition.
If you own the company bonds, man, you can do that. Like if you own the company bonds and the company goes bankrupt, you own the company now because you own the debt on the company. People be buying the stocks in these companies that be going bankrupt, and that's the wrong thing to be buying. You need to be buying bonds, not the stocks. So you ain't gonna make no money. The stockholders are not gonna get paid out. Period. They're not getting paid out. So you think that just because you an owner of this, they gonna break? No, they ain't breaking you off nothing.
Ooh.
Now, if you was a financier of the company, yeah, you gonna get something off of it.
Yeah.
Hey, we were talking about Tesla, but people don't need to be worried about Tesla. Last weekend, I put 3 electric vehicle companies out there. I said Lee, Neo, and XPEL.
Yeah,
Unusual option activity. I'm looking at XPEL again right now. They went from 40. They jumped up 11% today. They closed out up 11%. Went from 44 to like 48, and they're sustaining after hours. Lee, the same thing.
Good gracious, boy.
Gee.
I could hear that Neo, man. Hey, boy, I was in that joker right when it got. You remember when I put it gapped up in the chat?
yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Boy,
I was
y'all
drawing my stuff
man,
up for it.
in the
I,
world.
I was drawing my stuff up for it.
Oh,
Basically, what I
yeah,
see
boy.
for Lee, Neo, and XPEL, if you look on the daily, you see a giant flag for all 3 of them, identical. You talking about sister pairs trading or whatever?
Yeah.
This is it. All 3 of them have identical trade patterns.
I can't
Flag, they
believe it.
breaking out of their flag patterns.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's all you
I
want to
got
see.
I got Lee going to 50. It's at 34
God,
right now. Look at that. I'm giving that free game. I ain't gonna tell you when he's gonna get there. Hey, I got XPEL going to like 62. It's at 48. I
Hey,
picked it
okay.
up about a long time ago, and Neo. Oh my goodness! Look at it, this live. We live.
Everything is pretty much off to the races today. I mean, we can't sit up here and not acknowledge S&P.
Yeah, I got Neo
I wish everything was off to the races.
And we can't sit
56
up here
at
and
41.
not acknowledge S&P cresting the last week high. We can't sit up here and just not acknowledge that.
Hey, I ain't
I
gonna
don't
lie. I got
acknowledge it
scared.
because mine ain't at its highest.
Did y'all look at those 10-year interest rates Friday? They jumped back up, and then the
Mm.
market had a little miniature sell off.
Yeah,
Like the highest that the interest rates got was like I want to say like it was like a 1.72, and that was like around like May or June, and it had been like going down steadily. But on Friday, man, that thing jumped up to like 1.64, 1.65, and then that's when we saw that sell off happen. I was like, oh
yeah.
my god, because I was in one of my favorite plays, Virgin Galactic, and I got my butt handed to me, sitting up there waiting for it. I was like, it's coming. It's got to turn around. It's got to turn around.
Hey,
Four
speaking of
hundred
Virgin
dollars.
That
Galactic,
married
man.
to that bias.
$400 later, I cut it.
Ah,
Hey, when I told AC, I lost him $400, and then in 20 minutes, I got it on skills and got $470 back. Hey, I was angry trading. I bought 20 contracts.
Angry Birds.
I bought 20 contracts in the money
That boy said, if it's the
and
last one,
ran it up.
I'm
Angry Birds. That's what he was
I was
doing. He looked like one of them little birds with a little mad face, just punching at the screen.
I clicked buy market so hard.
oh my goodness. That joke
Hey,
was funny.
speaking of that Virgin Galactic though, did y'all see that Jeff Bezos is trying to get like a partnership with Boeing and a couple more other companies so that they can build a new space station?
Mm.
I did not see
Did it?
that.
Then Lockheed Martin and some other people, they're getting together so that they can make a space station too.
Oh my god, look at this crap. I see what you're talking about.
Hey, and I think because they said that
They
they're gonna decommission the International Space Station, so that's why these other guys are doing this. Hey man, I just need anything to put some
Right.
life in the Boeing. Just anything. Give me some life, man. Because right now I told you we hanging on that cliff. We are hanging on that cliff, man. And he is hanging on for dear life. But it don't look like he can hang on for too much longer.
Hey, I mean, hey, we hitting these extremes already at the beginning of the week.
Yeah.
Man, it don't look good, man.
It's been
I'm
a
trying to
while.
have fortitude, but man,
I wonder if they must be pumping. They must be finna start pumping or something.
man,
my boy.
tell me something. Because I'm talking about it seems like some good stuff is going on because they have like a couple more people that's actually putting in some orders. I think it was, I forgot what, I think it was Iceland Air or something. So they got some people that's actually putting in some orders. They got a conviction on one of the pilots. They said they made him a scapegoat for the Boeing Max, the 737 Max is how they were crashing. They got a conviction on a pilot saying that he lied, and he lied to the people that was testing the plane and all that stuff, the agency that was over that. So with that being said, I mean, it's a lot of stuff like that going on. We got some well trades that we saw come through where some large money has come in and bought some shares, but none of that stuff was translated into anything.
Hey, you talking about Wells, man. You can't talk about Wells and not talk about Kathy Woods.
Kathy Woods, man, she over there she's selling a few shares of Boeing.
Hey, they
I don't
said
mess with Kathy right now.
she took her profits from Tesla on Friday,
Yeah.
and she bought skills.
She missed out on this run to Tesla though.
That's real.
I mean, this a late rally. here with Tesla, but skills, I saw a falling wedge on skills that started setting up back in May,
Yeah.
and it's just now breaking out of it. So she know what she doing, cause I saw it too, and then they got a
Penny stock Kathy.
penny. Hey, it ain't gonna be a penny stock for long.
Hey,
They
right
got
now
earnings
Penny
coming
stock
up on
Kathy though, boy.
November 3rd.
Hey, I'm finna ride that penny stock with her. Me and Kathy finna ride the wave.
Don't forget now, the skills was at 46 earlier this year.
I know. That's why I said I'm finna
A
ride the
steal of
wave.
$11 right now.
Don't think I ain't finna ride this wave now.
Skills.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's the
that
video
thing,
game
boy.
people.
It's liquid, boy. Volatility be crazy on it, and it's cheap too. Oh my god, option contracts on that thing be like on Thursdays and Fridays. They be like $20.
That's it.
That's it. That's why.
$20.
That's why I bought 20 contracts.
I would too.
I bought 20 contracts in the money. That thing moved up like 50 cents, and I
Hold
made
on,
me
there was
$400.
$20 in the money.
It was like I tell you exactly what I did.
That's got to be a cheat code. There's no way. That's insane.
There was some $20
I
contracts and
mean,
they was
think about it.
already in the
Like
money. What kind of mess is that, man?
right now, right now for the October 29th expiration is 50 cents. So that's $50. That's in the money right now for $11 strike, and it's at 11.09. So yeah, that's gonna adjust because it then moved up after market. It's that cheap, and it's finally starting to move.
I see.
Kathy Woods know what she doing.
It seemed like it. 'Cause I mean, now I seen the same thing too, because I saw that falling wedge as well, and I had told a couple people to jump in on this. People had asked me about it. Because we had talked about it earlier this year too. And so I guess they still had it on their watch list. And it definitely was a good buy when it was down at like 8, 7. What was it, $7 or something? $8, somewhere
It
around
got
there.
down to 7.97.
Okay, so it was about 8, yeah.
And then what clued me in on it was, yeah, I saw it breaking out the falling wedge. And then I've been messing with those exponential moving averages lately. So I got the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day up there. So once I saw it break that the 20-day first, I was like, okay. But then when it broke that 20 and it just made a run for the 50, and now the 50 is at 1074. It just broke the 50. Now it's headed for that 200. 200-day moving average is at 1494. That's where it's headed next. And if it eclipses that, watch out.
Yeah, it's on, man.
Watch out there now.
Everything aligned.
Yeah.
Hey, and
The
your dollar.
sky's the limit, baby.
What you said, okay?
Hey, your dollar has some movement today. That's one of your favorites.
Oh yeah, man. Hey,
Oh, you had the dollar was moving today.
Oh yeah, they really just did a pump.
Yeah.
They pump faking out here.
Look, they pumped it at the beginning of the week. The furthest that they even moved the entire last week. They covered the whole last week in one day.
Okay.
That Euro USD one, I got into that one. It was down 50 points at one point.
Don't tell me you made that sale, man.
I did. I had the indicator set up already.
He nasty, boy. He nasty, boy.
So tell me, how often are y'all doing Forex now?
Hey,
I just usually,
Oh, they do it daily, I think.
about an hour
Every day?
and a half in the morning, and then that's all it takes.
Yep. That ain't something you gotta always do, because it ain't no day trading limits or nothing like that in Forex. So you just get in and get out as many times as you want to.
I know that's boy. I'm gonna be like them old people on the slot machine. Boy, you ain't gonna be able to get me off of that. Boy, don't put me on that.
And we gonna have Jerome up at 4 a.m. He in there putting in trades.
like you're
Listen here, I'm gonna have everything I need. I'm gonna have people bringing me food. I got my oxygen tank here. I got my cigarette, and I got my Depends on. I ain't going nowhere.
Well, y'all know when you start.
That boy said he glued to the station.
You're like, it should be up there.
I'm making too much money, man. I stand up, I lose too much money.
And then it's all digital. I'm gonna have my direct deposit coming straight to my account. Just keep hitting it. Just keep hitting it.
That man bank will be calling him every day.
I'll be paying bills from my TD Ameritrade account.
But yeah,
that's hilarious.
Hey, I think that Joker. Hey, I don't like that Joker sustaining that high like that, man. You know, I looked at it with pump and dump. So you know, I'm on the other side of that EU. It came down to a point of interest for me.
Mm-hmm. Now it's like that. That's why I've been playing just that little area that's supporting resistance and just watching it. It was making an M anyway. So
hey, tell me this: do y'all trade the British pound against the Japanese yen?
Oh yeah, man. Them JPY pairs been just
the
whole time.
Ability is sick.
But
see, they taking that risk off. Cause see, JPY, that junk going up, that means that they don't believe in that. They don't believe in the Japanese yen.
Hey, they sure ain't. But hey, I tell you one thing, man, they gonna have to slow down after a while.
At some point,
it's been going up there.
Hey, they call that bad boy the Widowmaker. What I just asked y'all about. Hey, folk be dying. They lose their life off that thing, boy. Because you gonna lose your shirt. Or you gonna win a house off that pair, boy.
I was thinking, look, it's too volatile. Yeah,
you gonna lose it all, or you gonna make it all.
Right.
Which way is it going for you? Because the thing's so crazy and so volatile. You will call it the right way, but while it's doing that, it fall out and then come back, stop you out, took all your money, and then it came right back. You be like, what kind of mess is this, man? It be trading like
they give you that full retracement every time,
bro. I'm telling you, like. When you trade that, you gotta have some guts, man. Cause literally, that junk will be moving, and oh man, you catch that thing the wrong way, it's over. It's like catching a falling sword.
Can you do like trailing stops and limit orders with it?
You can, but that junk will boom. You'll be hit so fast, like you might as well not even open the trade.
You better use some risk in there.
That man is wild though. You can make some money off of it because man, this thing moves. But man.
That'd be like the worst feeling ever. You getting in. It was green when you start getting in. As soon as you hit, I done did that before. Man, as soon as I hit buy, the thing started tanking down red.
I'm telling you, man. Hey, the bad boy trades like a emerging market. It don't trade like some stable economies. The thing trade like an emerging market.
Hey,
it'll humble you quick.
I appreciate those JPY pairs, man. But I usually when I get that first move, I just take it from there and don't be trying to hold it too long.
Yo, hey, so that USD JPY, that one good. USD yen, that one usually pretty good. You know, it move real nice. It's gonna get you that move, but you ain't gotta worry about it like doing some crazy, but. Oh my goodness, that British pound, oh my goodness, boy, that thing will move. That thing will move like 20 pips on you, just like that.
Check this out. How about this? I'm gonna stick to my
200. I mean, not 20, 200
options, and I'm just gonna give one of y'all $200, and y'all make it work for me.
You gonna give us $200 to do what?
To make it jump for me in the Forex.
Make it jump for you in Forex, boy. You better jump.
That boy said you got two legs. I'm not sure what the.
You already over here banning crypto. You done banned Forex, man. I don't know what you got going on, man.
Look, I tell you,
man. I mean, these stocks.
You part of that council culture, man.
These stocks and options, they've been too good for me, man. I can't turn my back on.
I ain't gonna say turn your back on, man. I don't never turn my back on them. I just, play in this other field every now and then.
Hey,
you know, you go across town because you want to go to another park because you just tired of this park one time. So, just go across town, go to another park.
Yeah, y'all the way, man. I just, I'm going to say this for the people out there in the audience. We're talking about Forex and stocks. A lot of people, really, want to like the main difference in it. What's the big difference in, playing the game. And, I would just say my personal biggest difference is how fast the game is played. I made that video. What type of trader you are? You being a day trader or a swing trader.
Mhm.
Forex is great for day traders because you're going to get a lot of movement in a day, and it can go this way, that way, this way, that way, and you capitalize off of it. But if you're a fast trader, that means that all it takes is small mistakes, and then you can be done. You don't have any room for mistakes like that if you trade in Forex. You don't want to have that many mistakes. But in stocks, you have a little time to gather yourself. Sometimes if you see it comes off the cliff. Like, AC, like you was mentioning earlier, if it come off the cliff, you have a little time to be like, all right, that's it. Or else it come off the cliff,
Gone.
out of there.
Hey, that's how it be with them
Hey.
options. Cause you know
They
me,
said, well, we don't mess around with no cliffs. We jump out of planes around here,
Hey,
but we can't
I'm high risk.
come back. When we jump, it's over.
I don't be doing nothing.
Hey, but
but
another reason why them banks, man, is the players. That's another thing that I want to point out too. With that comparison that we're talking about right now, is the players who dominates these markets. Foreign exchange, the banks dominate. The stock market, all these hedge funds and big institutions and things like that, they dominate. Of course, you got your market makers and all that stuff, your manipulation, your master manipulators and all that type stuff going on.
I love that, man. I love the manipulators, man, because especially when you get to the point when you can see when they try to induce sellers and buyers, man, that's the best part right there.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like what Virgin Galactic did to me on Friday. Boy, they got me. You talking about pump fake me? Oh,
got him in the air.
I saw a falling wedge set up Friday, and I knew that's what it was. Soon
And
as
it
the
fell
bell
through.
hit on Friday,
Falling wedge fell through.
Running up aftermarket, and then this morning it took off doing what I wanted it to do Friday.
Wow.
I'm pissed, but I know what happened.
It's about to do the exact same thing, so I'm hoping that action happens.
That's why I hate Fridays. I hate Fridays. Don't nothing move. They ought to ban trading on Fridays.
Hey, these last couple Fridays I've been liking. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been liking these last.
I hate it because of what happened with Virgin Galactic, but I did make some money on some other stuff. It's just you have to go into it knowing that unless it's like a huge news catalyst, you got to prepare for that low volume.
Yep.
And it only sucks for me because I'm impatient. So I only buy naked calls and naked puts.
He going straight for the gusto. He need that thing to move and move quick.
I'm a throwback options man.
He throwing them but Hail Marys.
I told you them 20 contracts. It was naked calls.
Hey, when you decide to buy 20 contracts, that's when you really want that play.
Hey. Hail Mary.
I threw it in there, boy. Hey, well, best believe my finger was on that sell button. Hey, I was like, boy, I gotta go to the bathroom, but I'm gonna hold it.
I told you.
Look like Kramer. Bye.
Man.
That's so funny, man.
Hey, I held that thing for a 50-cent move. Boy, I jumped out so quick.
You need to get that little bit of profit, and you can snatch it.
Oh yeah.
That's all you need, man.
See, hey, I personally admit that that's that's a trading style in its own. Scapping that joker so when you get a percent.
Oh yeah, I mean, I don't like a day trader.
That's a lucrative trading style. You know what you're doing.
If you know what you're doing, for sure.
You pinpoint, where you're trying to jump in. Like I have to have a plan. Well, I joke about it, but I know exactly where I want it to go. Because for me to put down 20 contracts, and for y'all who might not understand, like one contract is like 100 shares or whatever. So what am I controlling? What, like 2,000?
2,000 contracts. This boy over here going crazy.
2,000 shares.
2,000 shares. I mean, yo.
That's either gonna go real good or real bad, real fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you gonna find out.
Yeah.
Oh, you go
And
find out.
that's how confident I felt about it. But you
Yeah.
got some of those things where, like we said, the stars align and you got the money right there, and they hit that point, and you see multiple indicators. You see support levels, indicators, all this stuff. If you get to that point, and you're gonna get to that point where you see this stuff, and you've seen it 10 times before, 15 times before, like, trust the process and trust your analysis, because
Mm-hmm.
you gonna hate yourself when you see it and you didn't put the money up for it, and you get into that, man, I should have did this and I could have did this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's a great comparison, since we were comparing stocks and forex too. Trusting your judgment, trusting your
Oh yeah.
indicators, and making sure, like, I think forex gives you a little bit. You have to require to kind of trust it more versus stocks, at least, unless you're 20 contract over there. But
I mean, my thing is, hey, scared money don't make no money. But at
right,
the same time, I'm smarter with it because I
Right.
only trade like that when I know that I have a day trade there, and I'm sitting there waiting with my finger on it, and it's based on
Mhm.
something that I saw. I saw it hit a support level, and I know where it's going, or I think I know where it's going. But I minimized my risk by saying, okay, I'll pull a trail and stop, a real tight trail and stop on it, like 10 cents or 20 cents or whatever, and be like, hey, I'm willing to lose this much, but hey,
To
I'm
gain.
not really trying to lose anything. It's gonna be all and everything, or I'm not gonna lose nothing.
Facts.
Hey,
I
that's
feel that.
confidence right there. The confident trading.
Man, I don't even like to do like options. I like to do options on like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when they cheaper. I'm off like on Wednesdays or whatever. Man, that's my option day. And then
Hey,
I just try to be
hey,
disciplined
them
during the
weekly
week.
options, them weekly options can hit now for the low. I know that what
Man,
you. I know you be doing them weekly options, Jerome. Be tearing
Yes,
them up.
sir. Yes,
man.
sir. Hey, Wednesday, Thursday, like today, me getting intel at the end of the day, that's usually something I don't even look at options on Mondays and Tuesdays. I wait until Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday so I can get them 300, 400, $200 stocks or whatever that I can
Mm-hmm.
afford them options and get multiple contracts. Oh, I'm trying to run it up.
Mm-hmm.
They
Hey,
said he gonna hit.
Hey, that's a strategy right there.
I'll tell a funny story. When I first started trading, I used to only get weekly stocks. I mean, weekly options.
Hey, that's what I still do.
Ooh,
Hey, but you lose it
ooh,
quick.
he blowing through that cash,
But hey,
blowing money
but the
fast.
thing
Why do you
is,
set yourself up? That's so hectic.
was a different strategy. And of course, I was new, what I'm saying? I didn't really know, what I'm saying, you could just get them out, dated out. I just always was playing with the ones that were weekly. And those are the ones that I just always played with. You know what? I was being cheap. That's what I was doing. I
Hey,
was the cheapest one.
hey, you the real BMF. You blowing that
Now,
money fast, boy.
the thing about it though, you know what I'm saying, I would make some money fast too. It
Yeah,
was an
yeah.
actual
Oh, yeah.
strategy. It
If
was
you
a
know
different
what you're
type of
doing,
trading
like
style than what I'm doing right now. You know what
Put
I'm
like
your
saying?
I'm
heart rate up.
still I'm still doing that, and I still only do the weekly options, but I have a little bit more money right now. And then to minimize my risk, since I have a little bit more money, I can either choose to go 2 or 3 weeks out and pay a little bit more for it because I'm paying
Mhm.
more money because I'm paying for more time.
Mm-hmm.
Or what I do is I buy either at the money or in the money so that I already know I'm using this cash to make money. I put more money for it, but I know it's a higher probability that I'm going
That
to
you'll
make
make.
money.
Yeah, yeah.
They moving.
Oh yeah, like I'm not trying to get no 20 contracts. Like I would rather get 3 contracts in the money than 5 contracts or 10 contracts out the money.
Right.
Hmm.
Hey, yeah, hey. That make it different now. They in
Yeah.
the money
Oh
and they
yeah, I mean I'm trying I'm trying to get them base hits, man. Yeah, I'm
gifted now.
tired of
Hey,
striking
they
out.
got it now.
Hey, that's the only way to get a grand slam, man. You
Right.
got to get the
Oh yeah.
bases loaded.
Oh yeah, every once in a while I get a little froggy now.
Look, you finna make me go back to my strategy I used to trade like that.
Man.
Finna make
Hey,
me
I
go
save
back,
all
bro.
my day trades. I save my
Hey,
day trades, and I look forward to Wednesdays and Fridays, and I use if I use them just
Finna
for them
make me
options,
go back
just
to
for
the
them big
strategy, boy.
plays.
Finna make me go back to the strat, the weekly strat, the weekly option strat. Finna go back.
I
ain't nothing
mean, I
wrong with
look
it.
at it and I trade like the big boys now, even with my stocks.
Mm-hmm.
Power hour, 3 o'clock, 3:30. I'm in there hunting. I'm in the hunting,
It's
and
on,
then
man, though.
I control it the next day or whatever. I put my OCO bracket on my trailing stop.
Exactly.
Either it's gonna come down and stop me out, ain't no day trade, or it's gonna keep running, and I'm gonna put that trailing stop on there and let it go.
Yeah, let it find, let it figure it out itself.
That's how it go.
Hey, so I gotta ask y'all, man. We gotta talk about our crypto.
Uh-oh.
We gotta talk about the crypto, man. So
Not the
Bitcoin is here forever.
big Bitcoin.
It definitely is here for
We got the ETF going, everything.
Bitcoin is definitely here for
I got some Bitcoin ETF.
I don't.
I think they got options on there, Jerome. You might be able to get in, man.
Listen here, Bitcoin scare me.
What?
Man, anything that you can trade when it's that liquid and you just trading it 24/7 like that, I just feel like I'm that unlucky of a person where I'm be 10 toes down and everything going right. And then, oh my God, the biggest sell-off ever in the history.
Hey, you better get in on that sell-off.
Right.
Hey, that'll be the night that I get my best sleep and I don't wake up, boy. Just
Man.
Hey, look at the bright side. You got some good sleep, though.
Hey, that Bitcoin, hey, them jokers going now, man. I think that's a good thing. I heard that they are maybe doing Ethereum ETF as well.
I
Really?
heard that too. And you see, well, I just saw that Elon is going. Well, you saw that Shiba coin too ripping up.
Man,
They
she
just
thing.
took it right out of the sky. Yeah.
I've been
AC
hearing
was
people
telling
talk
me
about that shit.
he invested a lot in that cum rocket.
Who said that?
You,
Me?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
I didn't know I wasn't supposed to tell everybody.
I didn't know.
Well, you and Haitian Sensation did a co-investment.
It seems like it, I guess.
Well, it was Haitian Sensation and Charles Gooseby.
Oh Lord.
I got him again.
Oh Lord.
We knew it. We knew it, man.
Man, that's terrible, man. That man gonna have to come on here and defend himself.
Hard to know what's going on. They've got so much, who knows what news can spike some of that. So.
Hey, I got another question for y'all, man. What y'all think about these oil prices surging?
Oh,
Hey,
that right there is something else. We had talked about that because they were saying they was gonna stop the production and all that stuff, cut it. So it was definitely expected. I knew I was expecting it at least.
We did talk about that joke, but man,
yeah, it's up high.
Me with
hey,
my
it ain't affecting me because I told y'all boys, man, I got a scooter. I don't know why y'all keep forgetting, baby.
I got a go-to option for that oil stuff. Oxy, OXY, Occidental.
Oh
yeah.
Boy,
I remember you talking about that for a few times.
Yeah. I make so much money off of that. And it had them cheap contracts too. Even today.
They've been going crazy with this oil surge, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It don't take that much since it's so volatile, it don't take that much for it to change. It was up 3.8% today, but for that, you get in on some cheap contracts with that. It went from like 34.5 to 35. It had like $1 move.
Mm-hmm.
But, oh yeah, you make some real good money on that one. That one just like skills.
Yeah, boy, got some
getting gouged at the gas pump.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
These prices say I need to be.
Oh my God.
It's ridiculous.
$3.
My goodness.
It's like $3.70 for your boy.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Almost $4. That's why I said, man, I'll be happy with my suit. Hey, I was riding on that thing today.
You remember when that Colonial Pipeline thing happened? I reprogrammed my engine because it wasn't any premium fuel anymore. So I went from 93 and changed it in my truck to 87 because it wasn't no 93 and I couldn't drive my truck. So I had to change it to 87. And I kept it at 87 because the gas prices keep going up. I'm like, well, hell, I ain't changing it back to 93 until the gas prices go back down.
Exactly.
Well, hell, they ain't went down.
You paying 2 arms.
They've been going higher and higher.
Yeah. Man, doesn't that gas shortage feel like it was so long ago?
It feel like it was a long time ago.
Like a long time. I just thought about that. Like, dang.
It feel like a long time ago. It literally was not that long ago. Though.
Yeah.
That's the craziest thing.
Man, y'all think Facebook about to have this recovery too, ain't it?
Boy,
Supposedly, I've been hearing a
saw
lot of people talk
unusual
about it.
option
Yeah, they're changing
activity on it. Oh,
Are
yeah,
they
on
changing the
the
name
daily.
of it or something too?
Oh, on the
Oh,
daily,
man.
it is bouncing off of its 200-day moving average.
Yeah.
200
Yeah, there's a
day
lot of
moving
people I
average
was
is
hearing talking about the
actually
Facebook.
at 324. It's at it
Hey,
closed at 328 and it's at 333 after hours. So it's bouncing now.
this your kind of play right here, man. $300 stock.
I'm coming for it, baby. Don't you worry.
Hey, did you say that just because they had their earnings today?
Don't
Well,
you
some
worry.
too, but yeah.
And they beat it. Estimated was 319, actual 322.
Oh yeah, I like that setup right there.
Mhm. It was a lot of those social media things. You had
Man.
Facebook that was down, Twitter was
Hey,
down. I saw a lot of those dip.
Snap went
Snap.
off.
I had
Yeah, that's what I saw. Snap kill.
unusual option activity on Snap on Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I saw a lot of them setting up.
No, yes, actually, Snap went off the cliff.
It got killed.
Let me take a look. Did it come back?
It jumped, man.
Yeah, that joint gone.
It jumped. Oh, man.
Look at that daily on Snap, boy.
Rest in peace, Snap.
Hey, but don't sleep on it. It isn't showed up on most.
Hey, I know one thing though. That's gonna be on my menu for a scooper. I'm gonna let it go ahead and die out for a little bit.
Hey,
I'm gonna let it go ahead and bounce. Do whatever we
on the
need to do.
daily.
Keep falling
It's
out the sky.
oversold.
Keep
I think
do whatever we
hit
need
its
to do.
bottom.
Yeah, it's at a support.
It's at the bottom, that's for sure. Bottom of the lake.
I'm gonna let it go ahead and keep staying there for a few more days because it ain't gonna move right now.
I mean, this thing loading up. Like if you look at what it did today on 5 minute, that thing went sideways for real. It's
Bad.
loading up crazy right now.
Sheesh.
Oh, yeah.
Anytime you see something, that has that much trading volume and it's going sideways like that, that is consolidation. It's getting ready.
Somebody dumping and providing some liquidity too.
Yeah.
That's gonna bounce off this hole that it's in for.
I'm looking at this 4 hour right now.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you, it's getting back to 75, quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Yeah.
It's at 54 right now. Ooh, boy.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun, y'all. It's gonna be a fun ride.
Let's go.
Load it up. We load it up.
Loading it up. Hey, I think I'm going ahead and load up on a couple of them then. I got to go check it out.
It definitely at a discounted price because that thing went all the way down to the bottom.
For real.
Oh, yeah.
I got to check it out.
Hey, just wait till you see.
Right. You're going to have to move your screen to that way.
Golly. Yeah, I'm going to check it out for real. Y'all got some plays y'all want to share, man? We got to the end of the show now. It's about that time.
I told you my 3.
Okay, you already got your 3 out there.
Neo, Lee, XPEV.
Oh, you going with all the electric vehicle companies.
Hey, it's like one in
you
the
putting
same.
your eggs in one basket, man. Everybody going, hey,
trading.
one motor gonna blow up and it's over with.
Hey, it's 2 sides to every trade. Just make sure you on the right side.
Right.
Hey, I'll run one up as soon as I see it hit that that resistance level. I will turn around and buy some puts on it.
Man, what? You better.
Hey, I got the crypto, that EU and the AUD USD are gonna be mine. I'm trying to. They've moved the same direction generally, so they should. They've been off this little trend line here and then retesting this point that I got it at. So.
Okay.
That and gold as well. Gold had a good rip up for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay rocking with those.
Nice.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to drop that EU chart.
Need it.
We're gonna have to drop that EU chart. But man, I got one pick, and I'm still. It's kind of a long play, but I'm with no kill.
Okay.
Oh,
You know, I got
Okay.
it going at least $7. It's at 5 right now.
Okay.
hey, that BlackBerry be kind of pair trading with that Nokia too. I
I
saw
forgot
that
about
one pop
BlackBerry.
up.
Yeah.
It might be one of those Reddit boys. Reddit
Could
boy.
be. Could
Hey,
be.
'cause you gotta BlackBerry, Nokia, they stay talking about this stuff on Wall Street bets.
Yeah.
Anytime them boys get to going,
Oh yeah.
Hey,
they can run it up
time
quick.
it pumped up. That last time it pumped up all the way to what it is, $10.
Yeah. They'll
But
get
yeah,
it
that's
moving.
crazy.
They'll get it moving for sure. So I like the price of steel. I like that it's up so much now. So I like US Steel. I like X as my
Yeah,
that's my pick.
that ain't good for my work industry though.
Hey,
We have steel infrastructure in our substations.
hey, I already know. It ain't good for a lot of businesses out here that's doing steel. Because even the tubing companies and things like that can't even purchase steel right now. So hey, US Steel, baby, they pumping out the gold. And it's at one of the lows right now. I think it's like 21 or something like that. Last time I checked, I don't know what it is today. Last time I checked, it was about $21 though. I think it can get up to about 30 or even
Oh
higher.
my God, that's that's a play. I saw it pop up on my unusual option activity scanner, and then I'm looking at this. Oh my God!
I'm telling you. So
Uh-oh.
thank me later.
I'm looking at it now.
These things are gapping, boy. Stuff,
Whoa.
hey, stuff been gapping, but the index has kind of just been kind of hovering at this high a little
Mhm.
bit. Stuff been gapping though.
The big stuff ain't moved. Like the overall market, we need to see
Yeah.
like the whole breadth of market go up, not just a few sectors or just a few companies. That's when we'll really get a chance to see that thing, go ahead and stretch his legs a little
Hey,
higher.
Oh, that's what it was. U.S. Steel, yeah, $26 calls for November 5th.
Oh, see, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, $27 calls just popped up too.
Okay.
I knew I had been looking at that earlier today. Yeah, I was like, when you said that, it's like, ooh, I saw that earlier. It makes sense because it closed today at 24.60. Oh
24.
yeah, it's
Okay.
running up.
So it went up $3 from the last time I saw it because I saw it on Friday. I didn't check it today. I saw it on Friday. It was 21. So it's already on this
See, and
move
what
to the
happened
upside.
was
So definitely.
it passed the 50-day moving average. It just eclipsed it because that
Okay.
was at 23.38. So as soon as it eclipsed that, oh, it's taking off because
Oh yeah.
right now the the 20 is getting ready to cross that 50, and when that happens, that's when it's gonna take off, and that's probably how it's gonna get to that 26 and $27 level.
Ooh. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it to
I
even
see
go
another
past
one
it.
for $29 for 11.5.
Yeah, bro. I'm
It might
telling
have
you,
some
that thing finna
legs on
move.
it.
That thing finna move, bro.
Let me shut up. I'm giving away too much free game.
You so funny,
Y'all
bro.
gotta pay for this.
Man, what? I'm telling you. But hey, just like
Yeah.
he said, you're gonna have to pay for it. So we encourage you guys to go over to hackthemarketstrading.com. You can get you a basic free account. It's gonna get you a few things. It's gonna give you a little bit of things, but it's not gonna get you the full meat and potatoes that we be talking about. It's not gonna get you the analysis and the
Either play
access
by
to us and
play.
the questions and all that stuff, the teaching that we put out. So definitely, we got the pro account out there that you can go ahead and you can sign up for. Get access to all that stuff. Like I said, go ahead and follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. That helps us out. Share it. Put some comments down at the bottom. Let us know what you want us to talk about. Put some stocks down there that you want us to look at as well too. Anything else you guys want to talk about before we let the good people go? And we talk
I
to them
got
again on Thursday.
I got one thing. The
What you got,
market
man?
prodigy is back.
He said he back, y'all.
Back.
So, so for all the fans,
Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
It feel good
welcome
to be
back,
back, man.
welcome back, welcome back.
Yeah. I miss y'all boys, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, we'll see everybody on Thursday then. Hope everybody have a good trading week.